Has your cat been looking particularly disheveled lately? Have other cats been avoiding mating with your cat because of his stinking, decrepit state? Bring your cat into Max's Express Cat Grooming service and we guarantee your cat's coat of fur will shine brighter than the sun's burning rays. Other cats will be meowing for a pound from your little loved one after you visit Max's Express Cat Grooming service, where our top priority is making sure your cat looks best for his events.
Side effects may and probably will include discoloration of your cat's fur, death, penchant for third-degree burns, extremely low-pitched meowing, difficulty concentrating, lack of appetite, aggressiveness towards young children, gnawing on metal, chasing powerful motorized vehicles, lethargy, and unusual affection for menstruating women.
Max's Express Cat Grooming Service.